Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute teddy bear.
Let's start drawing.
Let's draw the two cute eyes. Then I draw its nose and its smiling mouth and the shape of his head. I draw his ears. I like this. It's very adorable. Now let's draw his body. I draw his arms, his legs. He is sitting. Now let's divide with lines like this. Excellent!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Pink first. Then I use cream around her nose. Light purple. Fuchsia. Now let's use the rainbow colors. I start with red. Then I use orange, yellow, green, blue, very nice!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.